Hey everybody, here I am. We just moved into this house and I wanted to refinish these doors, but in order to get a furniture refinishing guy to do it, to dip them, they charge you an arm and leg. So basically what I did, I bought this DeWalt palm sander, put 80 grit sandpaper on it, and then just started sanding. And well, you can see this stuff is on there pretty heavy, so I'll just show you. Then you can hook up your shop vac like I did. I'm just going to turn it on. A lot cheaper than, getting her dipped.